Hello guys and welcome back. So you bought something from someone or from a store and you want to scan the QR code on the product just to know if that's the right thing you are buying. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple steps to easily do that on your iPhone without downloading any app from the App Store. Please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and without wasting much time, let's get to the video. So with the first method, it's very short. All you just need to do is you swipe down. Then you type code scanner, then you tap on it. So with the second method, you head over to settings, then in settings you scroll down and tap on control center. You search for code scanner, then you tap on the plus to add it to your control center. Then you are done. So after adding the code scanner to your control center, you swipe to pull your control center, then you can now access your code scanner from here. So these are the 2 easy steps to scan QR code using your iPhone. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, like, comment, share, and I'll see you and you see me in the next one. Stay safe.